We are here today with Little Sis and Big Sis, and they are going to show you how easy it is to cook Mommy's, which is One Mom's World, chicken pot pie, in which she is a finalist in the Pillsbury mycrescentwow.com. Okay, Little Sis, go ahead and put in the veggies. You're going to use one 16-ounce bag of frozen veggies, and you leave them frozen, and we're going to put them in the bowl now. Okay, Little Sis, let's put in the next bowl. Way to go. Okay, Big Sis, it's time for you to put in the chicken. And we are doing 2 cups of already cooked chicken breast. Okay, Little Sis, it's time for the soups. Can you go ahead and put in the cream of mushroom? We're doing 1 regular can of cream of mushroom, and we're doing the healthy request kind. Go ahead and pour it all in there. Now it's time for the can of cream of chicken, and we're doing the healthy request in that as well. Can you stir it up all really good for me? Now, Little Sis and Big Sis, can you pour it into the 13x9 casserole dish? And I have sprayed that with the Pam Original. Pour it all in there. Make it, spread it out evenly. So easy and very simple. Preparation time is just very minimal. Okay, once you have it spread it out nice and evenly, we are going to take a can of crescent rolls, Pillsbury crescent rolls, and all you do is unroll them flat. I'm going to give, and then we're going to place it in the oven, already preheated at 350, and we're going to bake about 25 to 30 minutes until it's really golden brown all the way through the crust. And the finished product, oh, yummy and delicious for dinner.